subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously.
Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. So in today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of a phone from Samsung called as M30S. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, I was planning to buy this phone from a long time, but finally I got the time and I have purchased this one. So this phone is costing you around 15,000. So in some offer you can get it around anything between 13,000 to 15,000 rupees. So the box price which is printed over here is 15,500. And the good thing is it says it is make for India initiative, so majority of the things are made in India, so that is something very good. So for this, hit like for the video, and it's really good to see that manufacturers are slowly moving to India, and major of the phones, Samsung phones, are now being manufactured in India. They have a lot of manufacturing units in India, few in Noida, few in Hyderabad. So that is something very good. Now let's talk about the smartphone itself. So this is the retail box of M30S, and few of the key specifications have been mentioned at the back, if you can see. So this one has got the monster battery, which is 6000 milliampere battery. Then it has got the triple camera setup, we'll talk about it in a while. And then they have the very famous Super AMOLED display in this one, and all other specifications have been mentioned in the screen, as you can see. So the variant which I have is of 4GB and 64GB variant. So let's unbox it and let's try to find out like what are all the box contents, and I'll give you the physical overview of the phone, and quickly I'll try to review this, and surely we'll have the in-depth review after using it for a couple of. So guys, let's unbox this one and let's try to find out like what are all the box content. So this is the device itself, and it really looks amazing. So I'll keep the device aside for now, and we don't have much things inside this one. So this is the power brick which we have, and the cable, charging cable. Apart from this, I think we have few things over here. So we have the SIM ejector thing and some user manual. So unfortunately we're not getting the back cover in this one as well. So we didn't even get this in M31. So I had made a video about M31. I'll leave the link in the description if you have not watched it. So this is all we get with the phone. The cable is type C, so that is something very good, and the adapter is also the fast adapter, if you can see the ratings. So this one is of 5 volts and 2 amperes. So this is a fast charger, I believe, and definitely will need a fast charger because this one has got the massive 6000 milliampere battery. But guys, I must say the best thing about this phone is, even though this phone has 6000 milliampere of battery, but it doesn't still weigh that much, because I have been using Redmi Note 8 and that has got lesser battery than this one, but still it is weighing more than this phone. So definitely full marks for the design and ergonomics to the Samsung for that one. So guys, let's remove the packaging from this one, and I'll remove the plastic covering which is there. So wow, I mean, have a look at it guys, this one looks quite amazing. So guys, I will quickly give you the physical overview of Samsung M30S. So on the right hand side we have the power button and the volume rocker keys. On the left hand side we have the SIM tray, and the good thing is this one has got dual SIM and a dedicated SD card reader in this one. And at the bottom we have the USB type C and our very favorite 3.5mm headphone jack and the speaker grill at the bottom. And at the front side we have the selfie camera, so we'll talk about the camera in a bit. And at the back side we have the triple camera setup, as you can see. The primary camera is of 48 megapixel. We have the flash as well, and we have the fingerprint reader at the back hand side, and we have the Samsung branding. So this is the physical overview. And talking about the screen, so this one has got the 6.44 inches sAMOLED screen, and the battery is of 6000 mAh, so full marks on that. So I'll quickly boot up the phone and I'll set it up for you guys. Till that time, I'll show you the configuration overview in the screen. So let's have a look at the detailed specification of the phone. So guys, I have set up the phone and I must say the initial impressions are quite good for this phone. I mean, look at the display guys. Super AMOLED display is quite amazing and it has a very smooth interface and it is not lagging whatsoever. So this phone is powered by Exynos 9611 processor, which is a quite famous Samsung processor. Now let's talk about the camera, because the front camera is of 16 megapixel and the rear camera is having triple camera setup, of which the primary camera is of 48 megapixel. Then we have 8 megapixel shooter and 5 megapixel macro lens. So this is what the triple camera setup looks like. Now let's jump into the settings section and let's try to find out few of the other things about the software. So I'll just click on software information. So as you can see, this one has got the One UI and the version of the One UI is 1.5. Then we have the Android version 9, which is very good, and I believe Samsung will definitely roll the Android 10 updates for this one, because this phone looks quite promising, and I mean the build quality and the hardware are quite promising for this one. So the variant which I have is of 64 GB. 4 GB 64 GB variant. I mean the storage is of 64 GB and the RAM is of 4 GB. So guys, in all, the initial impression is quite good for this phone. I will use it for a while and I'll try to make an in-depth review of this one. And also if you want to have a comparison video between Samsung M30S as well as Redmi Note 8, then definitely let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you are new and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then I'll suggest you all that you please subscribe to our channel. Also hit like, because it motivates me to create such video. So guys, that is pretty much for unboxing and quick overview of the phone Samsung M30S. So thanks for watching and I will see you guys in next one.